back to Bessalian Retinue's Newsline. I'm Ann Thomas, moving to headlines. Students participated in Navakerlam Yuva Kerlam, an interaction session with Chief Minister Sri Pinarayi Vijayan. Formation of new department for research, education and administration. World Cancer Day was observed in the college. COVID Jagrada Samadhi meeting was held in college. It is decided to form Alumni Association in Ma Baselius College of Nursing. University examination dates declared. Commencement of Nature Club in college. Formation of Magazine Committee in Ma Baselius College of Nursing. Honored the achievement of MPhil degree of Mrs. Priya NP. New office bearers taken charge. Interaction session with Chief Minister Sri Pinarayi Vijayan was held by Kusat Kalamushiri on 1st February 2021. 5 fourth-year students from Ma Baselius College of Nursing also participated in the session to discuss regarding the health sector. Around 200 students from Cochin University of Science and Technology, Kerala Technical University, Fisheries University, Kerala University of Health Science also participated in the session. A new department for research, education and administration is formed in college. The research vision of Mar Baselius College of Nursing is to become a leading hub of innovative and collaborative research that transforms nursing science through scientific discoveries. World Cancer Day was observed in college. On behalf of World Cancer Day, our college, along with Indian Academy of Pediatrics, Idukki District, conducted a meeting in Ma Baselius College Auditorium. Dr. Biju Chako, President of Indian Academy of Pediatrics, was the chief guest of the meeting. Dr. Mohammed Hassan, General Secretary of Indian Academy of Pediatrics, Pediatrician of Mar Baselius Medical Mission Hospital, was the resource person of the meeting. An inter-house quiz competition and poster competition was conducted by Student Nurses Association and Child Health Nursing Department of Mar Baselius College of Nursing, and the winners were awarded prizes after the session. Third COVID Jagrada Samadhi meeting was held on 12th February 2021. The meeting as usual reviewed the corona precautions taken in hospital, college and hostel. All students and staff received their second dose of vaccination. The teaching staffs are functioning as vaccine officers in Vaccine Center, Ma Baselius Medical Mission Hospital. It is decided to form Alumni Association in Ma Baselius College of Nursing. Ma Baselius College of Nursing Alumni Association is at its infancy stage of development. One of the main purposes of Alumni Association is to involve former postgraduates and graduates who will in turn help to raise the profile of the college. University examination dates declared. The tentative date of university examination dates of academic year 2020-21 has been declared by Kerala University of Health Science. Fourth year BSc Nursing regular and supplementary examination falls on 20th April 2021. Third year BSc Nursing regular and supplementary exam is on 4th May 2021. Second year BSc Nursing regular and supplementary examination is on 18th May 2021. And first year BSc Nursing regular and supplementary examination is on 26th May 2021. Commencement of Nature Club in college. A new step to have Nature Club in college is to help students get an awareness regarding nature, protection and conservation of nature and its resources. Honored the achievement of MPhil degree of Mrs. Priya NP. Mrs. Priya NP, Assistant Lecturer of Pediatric Department, was honored for her achievement of MPhil degree from Manipal University. On behalf of Ma Baselius College of Nursing, Principal Dr. Selyama Kuruvula gave away the memento to Mrs. Priya NP. New office bearers taken charge. New office bearers of Staff Society of Ma Baselius College of Nursing has taken charge in February 2021. Newly elected President is Mrs. Dolly K. Verghese. Mr. G. Verghese VP is a newly elected board member. That's all for today. We'll be coming back with some more news updates in our next video. Until then, stay tuned.